Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to convert Canva presentation into Google Slides presentation. If you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and give a like. Okay, how to convert Canva presentation into Google Slides presentation. First, just go to Canva and log into your account, and then just open your presentation. After that, click share and then download, and for the file type be sure is bbtx. After that, here all pages, and then click download. And after that, just go to Google Slides. If you don't know how to go to Google Slides, just go to Google and type Google Slides. Yeah, here you can see Google Slides. Okay, when you are in Google Slides, just click this icon, and then you see here open fly picker. Just click here, and after that click upload, and then browse. Yeah, here is the presentation. Just click here. Yeah, now it's already uploaded to Google Slides, and the name here project presentation. Okay, now if I go to Google Slides, I check, you can see it here, this one. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to convert Canva presentation into Google Slides presentation. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.